Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling on Android. Now, as you know, if we go here to the, if we go here to the chat and then we can go into the chat, as you can see here, what we can do is we can actually go to the first upper right hand corner icon, which is details, right? And then here in details, yeah, what we can do is we can search in conversation. Now, what this will do is we can search the first message in the conversation. So for example, if we said first, hey, we can click on it and we will search for, as you can see, this is the first message. It was September 2nd, 2020. And this is basically how to know, the first message. Obviously, if you don't know the first message, you will have to scroll. But again, if you want to search in conversation, you can go here and search for that message. Now, if you don't have these details extended like this, right? If you just have a couple of options, that means that your account doesn't have the latest update. So make sure you update your account and make sure, just to update your account, then you will have this. You will also have the theme right here where you can change your chat theme. And that's pretty much it. Now you will also have here more actions as well, which is again searching conversation, something isn't wrong and all that, but that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much how to see first message on Instagram without scrolling on Android. It's again really simple. You just go here, search in conversation and type in the message. Now that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, leave a like down below, comment down below if this video helped you out, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.